Hello everyone, I am Rishabh. Today I want to talk about politics. And let me begin with a simple truth. In politics, there is nothing truly good or bad. It is always bad and sometimes even worse. In this video, I am not here to blindly praise or blindly oppose. I will talk about BJP, the leading party of NDA, what they have done well, where they have failed, and what they could improve. And I will also look at Congress, the leading party of India Alliance, their achievements, their mistakes, and the challenges they face. So let's talk honestly, without bhakti, without any andhavirod, about BJP and Congress. Because if we only clap for one side and curse the other, then we are not citizens. We are just cheerleaders. So politics is not a place of saints. Every party, whether it's BJP or Congress, works for power, not for you and me. Yes, sometimes they do good work, but behind every good step, there is also a selfish calculation. So let's see both the achievements and the failures. Let's start with BJP. No doubt they brought big decisions like abrogation of Article 370, infrastructure, push expressways, digital India, and foreign policy, where India's image got stronger. Welfare schemes like Ujjwala Yojana, toilets, Jan Dhan accounts, electrification, these are real changes that touched people's lives. But alongside this, we cannot ignore the negatives, just like rising unemployment, inflation, farmer protests, weakening of institutions, and the dangerous trend of communal polarization. The question is not what they did good, but at what cost they are doing politics. And let's not forget a strong government should also mean a strong accountability. But in today's India, we see less accountability and more propaganda. So this is all about BJP. Now we will talk about Congress. So historically, Congress played a major role in building India's democracy, institutions, green revolution, IT sector boom, RTI, Manrega, etc. and etc. Without that foundation, India would not be where it is today. Even today, the India bloc speaks about social justice, secularism, and inclusivity. These ideas are important in a diverse country like ours. But let's not glorify Congress record has corruption scandals, mismanagement, and policy paralysis. That's one reason people voted them out in 2014. Even today, the Congress struggle with unity, lacks of clear vision, and often seems more focused on opposing Modi than presenting a concrete alternatives. So there nothing good in politics. The truth is politics will always be about power. Good work happens when people force it, and bad work happens when people remain silent. BJP Congress party is savior. The only savior is an aware citizens who question both sides, praises when they did good, and criticize when they fall. So remember, there is nothing good or bad in politics. It is always bad and sometimes even worse. But the power to make it less bad lies not with the netas but with you, the voter. जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्कार.